Hi guys and welcome back. This reading is for the zodiac sign of Scorpio. So please check your placements for Sun, Moon, Rising or Saturn. And this is the reading for you for the month of March. The first card that I have for you is the King of Chalices. So there is a big possibility for all my Scorpions that there is a water sign which is Cancer, Scorpio or Pisces who might be having a big influence on your career or your on your finances. Now this person is very emotional, which is why they could be causing trouble because they're using your emotions to decide what has to be done in regards to you for this particular situation. This card may also represent you because it's a water sign, and Scorpio is also a water sign, which could also mean that you are being influenced by your emotions to make decisions in regards to your profession and in regards to your career. The next card I have for you, Moon. See, Cancer sign again, ruled by Moon, which means a lot of you people might be working late night. The presence of Moon here suggests a lot of work that is done at night, and you guys tend to be active at night as well, so that is a very big possibility. Now these two can't, because being very like watery signs is also telling me you might be stuck in a situation where you don't realize what to do, or your brain is not being used like even like 50%. So it's like you're mostly being ruled by your emotions. The next card I have for you is the Seven of Chalices. That's a lot of water. That's a lot of water energy. Seven of Chalices, again I told you, there's some sort of confusion, there's some kind of inability to make a decision, a logical decision. And this coming up here also says, being in this state where you are confused, you are unable to decide what to do or which way to go, which is why for a lot of you, when it comes to finances, maybe you don't realize which way you have to go, or maybe you have a sum of money that needs to be invested and you're not sure about what kind of investment you should do, or what career you should go to that's going to bring you more abundance, bring you more stability in your life. The next card I have for you is the Knight of Pentacles. So Nine of Pentacles basically confirms the fact that your abundance or that success that you were seeking, in especially in terms of your professional life, is going to happen, but it's going to have a slow start. Now this person is basically the slowest knight in the entire deck of tarot, which means whatever is coming towards you is going to be slow. So if you have a lot of hopes, lot of those high aspirations, have them, but keep this in mind that progress for you, especially in terms of your financial growth, is going to be comparatively slower in comparison to other people. It will take at least till the month of July, or the next 7 months for you to decide exactly what you're going to do. And again, Seven of Pentacles, that means a lot of hard work has to be put in. You have to work on your skills. So whatever you already have, you need to work on it, and you have to produce miracles. This is a card of producing miracles, but at the same time these miracles have to be very realistic. They require you to work hard. Now, a lot of people will think this is sort of stupid, or this is sort of foolish, but one thing you really need to realize is that this cards, pentacles, to me represents the planet Saturn, and Saturn requires you to work hard. There has to be a physical hard work that you have to do. So despite not being in a career, or not being in a job that requires you to work hard physically, I would suggest you start working out, because that way your cards, the universe, are going to support you. And at the end of it is number 20, Harvest, which tells me no matter what happens, no matter what you do, you will be able to take care of your family at the end of the day. Not only your family, but you will be able to earn enough to bring this harvest home. So you are able to have a stable, comfortable life, but don't be in a hurry to move forward. Don't be in a hurry to get results, because in your case, the results are going to take some time before they come up. See, Ten of Chalices, again a water sign. I feel like most of you are being driven by your family or the situation at home. That's why you are working hard, and that's why you want to earn a lot. You want to do really really good in whatever it is that you are doing. And I have the ace of themes, which means, moving forward you are going to get this breakthrough. But the breakthrough is going to take time. So July, next 7 to 10 months are going to be very very important for you moving forward. And then we have the world tree. That means your luck is going to change, things in your life are going to change. So don't worry, you have abundance coming towards you. But the only thing you have to pay attention to right now is try not to get carried away into schemes, where you get quick, or quick money back, because that is not going to happen. Even at the bottom of the deck, I have the six of Athens, which requires you, some sort of healing that is needed. So don't worry, everything is going great, is going to come your way, but you need to have patience. Thank you so much, and see you next time.